Here's how you can create a feature in Excel that highlights the row containing the relevant text that you have entered. And to top it off, sort the table so that the highlighted row is always at the top. Let's start off by highlighting the row first. Click anywhere on your table and press Ctrl A. This will highlight the whole table for you. Click on Home tab and make sure you're in Style and Conditional Formatting, New Rule. In this new rule here, you're going to use Formula, and this is the formula you'll be using. Next, click on Format. Make sure you're on the Fill tab and select the color that you want to highlight the row with. I'm going to highlight with yellow and click OK and click OK. Next, go to the cell E1 here, and after that enter maybe a text called FO and hit enter. And if you scroll down, you'll see any of this title that has an FO in it will be highlighted. Let's say try THE as in the. You can see any of those titles with the will be highlighted. Next, let's sort the table so that the highlighted row is always at the top. Select anywhere on your table and press Ctrl-Shift-L to enable filter. Now go to Developer. If your Developer tab is not available, right click anywhere on the ribbon and click on Customize the ribbon. And then make sure that the check mark is available next to the Developer and click OK. I already have my Developer tab on here. So the next thing you're going to have to do is click Record Macro and then give the macro a name and click OK. After that, click the filter. After that, select Sort by Color and select the yellow color, which is your highlighting color. And after that, stop your macro recording. Once that's done, you have to create a button to sort. So click on Insert. You're still on the Developer button, and then draw a button somewhere on your spreadsheet and associate the action of the button with the macro 1 which you just created and click OK. Once that's done, click anywhere on the spreadsheet. If for some reason this thing is turned on like that, make sure you click on it to disable it. Now if you type say AM and hit enter, you can see they are not sorted yet, but if you click the button, you can see that the highlighted row is always at the top. Here's a SH and button. You can see that the sorted highlighted rows are always sorted at the top. The last feature I want to add would be to be able to enter alphabet like that and the table highlight by itself without me having to press an enter key like this. So to do that, you're going to have to introduce a new control called text box. Under Develop, Control Insert. Under ActiveX control, there's a text box here. And let's drop a text box somewhere on here. Next, you're going to right click on the text box and click on Property from the context menu. Now you're going to link this text box to this cell E1. So under link cell, you're going to press E1 like this and hit enter. And we're going to make this text box looks exactly like a cell. So you're going to go border style here. I'm going to change it to border style single. And this border color here, you're going to change it to scroll bar. And then once that's done, let's close this. And now you can see it looks exactly like a cell. So what you do is that just as a test, let's click the design mode. So if you type anything in here, you can see the table dynamically changes as soon as you make any of those changes on your spreadsheet. So the final thing is the cosmetic thing. Click on design again, and now you can drag as soon as you click on design and overlay it on top of the cell E1. Now click the design mode as off, and now as soon as you enter any characters, let's say you see how the tables get highlighted by itself as soon as I enter anything. And of course your sort button, you click on it, it will sort it for you.